Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wesley. Happy birthday to you. All right.
Keep going.
Almost.
Yay!
Hold on. All right.
I'll take this toy out. It's stuck.
Very creative.
Hold on, honey.
Very,
Hold
very
on.
creative,
Does it look
Oz.
nice, eh?
How is it stuck?
Oh, it's stuck in there.
He's stuck in the chocolate.
Hold on, Wesley. Hold on.
Willy Wonka.
Let Daddy get some video of it. So we might inhale some wax. Okay.
Wax?
So let's get in there.
Looks pretty nice. This is from Nanny and Grandpa. You know what it is? It's to put water in and you shoot the water.
Oh, it's like a little gun. A water gun.
And when the water comes in.
That's fun.
Hold it. What's that? Who's that on there?
Me.
And who do you have?
Hockey bear.
The old bear.
Oh, look at the picture on the back.
Nanny made like a photo album.
You opened it up like a book.
This is you and me making pizza. Back. This is all the pictures from Nova Scotia.
Oh, nice. Look.
There's at the beach.
Yeah.
The wavy beach.
What kind of shirt?
Star Wars.
What's on the front?
What's on the front of the shirt?
Turn around.
Turn it around and see what's on the front. Hold it open. What is that?
Stormtroopers.
Oh, what a nice shirt.
Look at the bunny.
Yeah.
What is it, Wesley?
Nanny taking this.
Let's get that. Bouldering mud.
Wow.
What is it in there, Wes?
Some stuff.
What are those guys?
Good guys.
It's Wookie.
The Chewbacca, Otto, R2C2. I mean R2D2.
Yeah, it's our duty.
And the Boogaloo Falcon.